Mystery from the morning is solved. Guys, this is absolutely epic. Wonderful, great road since like last 200-300 meters. Showing us that this is not really an off-road beast, but we've been on the worst tracks, I believe. Anyway, awesome track. Now we have like 7 kilometers to go on quite a different road. Feel love, 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 feel love. That was scary as shit. Oh boy, I thought we were gonna stay there, man. It was like first 60 kilometers from Shkoder to Theth. It's awesome, great quality of the road, and then the bloody sat-nav said it's 7 or 8 kilometers to go to Theth. Well, guess what? It was like 15 on a road like that. If there will be a museum of Can-Am one day, TheBeast will definitely go there, because I don't think anybody else in the world is doing such a crazy roads like I do. Off-roading, whatever. And she is handling and coping with it. Absolutely awesome. Now, the next part, this is our plan. And we're gonna hit like track for 3 hours, not 1, 3.
3, 4.
She asked me if I want to have a coffee. I have bloody adrenaline in my... What? Why? There is no water to buy?
No, you have to bring your own bottle and they'll give you water.
Nice people, they give you water, maybe. Well, hopefully they will not keep my bike. And by the way, this, it's originally a cow shit. Thanks God I'm not having my food there. It's actually Katka. Thanks God it's not me, you know, not my legs getting dirty by cow shit. Have a look at this. It is called Village of Nerdisai or something like that. Doesn't really matter. We know it's our like a spot for going to the right directly to the Blue Eye. And Katka, she was thinking to have some kind of nice decent lunch, salad with nice cheese.
Goat cheese.
Goat cheese, I'm sorry, goat cheese. Maybe a little small cappuccino with soya milk, of course. She likes alternative milks.
Or coconut.
Or coconut, doesn't matter really. I will not tell you guys that there was only one soya milk coffee bar in Albania so far in a 5-star hotel. Anyway, she is always trying. They are not trespassing. That's just normal protection for animals, probably. We're just completely lost, but that's fine. And look at that beauty.
Oh.
Albanian people don't like to put any signs which direction you should go, but this should be a bar maybe, and we are trying to find a way to the Blue Eye. But there is nothing like tourist track, marks, whatever. So only we are finding these kind of stairs. Billy was on another stairs. Blue eye is not happening. We are lost in the forest. Stairs were fine. Normal hints. I fell down, damaged. So, plan B. Of course I'm cursing like a hell about lazy people. I don't want to say lazy Albanian people because it's not true. Because the thing is, there are no signs whatsoever. So we are just thinking where can be anything. Again, guessing. Down, up, down we hear some water, up, we have no idea. Listen to that. Hopefully you can hear it. Listen to that. We don't know what it is, but we saw some people swimming inside. Not going anywhere else. So, guys, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, we made it. That's Blue Eye.
Okay, if you say so.
I would just like to tell you that it's super cold because it's coming from the mountains, and it's really cold. Oh, she did it. Oh, she did it. Oh, she did it. It's freezing cold, guys. It really is. But I don't feel half of the body, really. But it's just amazing. Look at that view. Look at that view. Yeah, we are again walking. There's a little bit of refreshment in a cold water, and actually we spoke to another people from Czech Republic. Anyway, they said that the Blue Eye is this direction for sure. Only like what, 30 minutes?
30, yeah. 30,
so we're gonna hit Blue Eye because they say it's really beautiful, and we're gonna go back and we will cheat a little, so we will take a taxi. Almost 9. We've been riding and walking probably since 8 o'clock. Actually, we have met several people, bikers, that they have tourist bikes, and they just ask us like if we really came there with this thing. Also, I'm super proud about Katka because this is her first real, I would say, hardcore trip. A lot of kilometers on the bike. We've been together in Austria. You are able to see the video from there on my channel, but that's nothing to compare with this trip. So super proud of her. This is it from part 2 from the trip around Albania. Hopefully you like it. If you do, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That's always amazing. If you have any questions, comments, tell me actually, what do you think about Albania? Tell me if you would like to see something different, what I'm bringing to you as an experience. Tomorrow we are leaving to Lake Coman, which should be even more beautiful than it was today. Can't imagine that, but I saw the pictures, so should be more beautiful. And then you will see part of the trip to the beach side. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, always have fun.